When you can help someone, do a favor, lend a hand. I'm heading to my friend's house to help her mount some curtains in front of her windows to help block out some of these city traffic sounds here in Florence so she can make perfect sounding YouTube videos. I got all these tools, many I collected over the years, many I received from my dad, and they're so useful, hence the name tool, in fixing something or creating a project. And in this case, it was drilling a few holes in my friend's wall to help her hang up a sound blanket to block some of the noise coming from the outside cars. So the plan is to mount this rod here inside the window there, and Jenny needs this soundproof blanket as a curtain that's gonna block out some of this sound, so when she's filming her YouTube videos in here that she doesn't have all the outside sound, because outside it's beautiful, an amazing view, but a lot of traffic, a lot of noise that comes in through the windows. With the tools, many of the same ones, my dad would help me. He would build furniture, lathe parts, router edges. When I was into BMX bikes, the big thing at the time was to have a piece of plastic in the middle of your bike frame that had all the sponsors' logos on it. I wanted the same thing, so my dad pulled out his bandsaw and took a piece of smoked plexiglass and cut that out so it would fit right in the middle of my bike frame and attached it there. And I got all the stickers I had and I put them on that to pretend I was a pro bike racer. Or when I was into remote control car racing, he rewired the whole thing, the motors, the little servos. Or my friend Spock, who came by, they called him Spock because he had these pointy ears. He came by the house and he wanted a motorized skateboard. Back then they didn't have the booster board. So my dad took a motor, mounted it on the top of his skateboard at the back, and then took one of the tires, took it off, lathed the groove in the tire, and put a vacuum belt connecting the motor to the tire, and off Spock went. It was so fast, it was dangerous, and I'm not sure it was a good idea. And later, when I was brewing beer, he built this whole mash recirculating system so we could brew beer together. He helped the neighbors Leroy, Mike, and further down the street, the Gambles, fix something or just lend them his tools. People got to borrowing his tools so much that in order to get them back, to make sure he got them back, on each one he would engrave his initials, JLB. We have one big curtain, but this rod is designed for two curtains, so we're going to try to make it work with these hooks here. I think that'll work, yeah. Problem is that this is very heavy, so I'm not sure it's going to hold. That spirit of helping others and the way I know how with the tools that I have lives on with me today, even if I should probably do more. Some of the tools we gave to our neighbor and local mayor, Mike, to Danny, my friend, a sharpening stone. She said my dad, Joe, taught him how to sharpen a knife with. Other tools to my sister, my uncle. His spirit lives on with them, with me, and with the tools that I have in my hand. I remember one time I wanted to get so many of those tools from the United States here to Italy. I found an old suitcase at my parents' house, this hard shell Samsonite suitcase, and with that I took all the tools that I could find, wrapped them up in bubble wrap and stuffed them in that suitcase and took them to the airport, and you could just imagine the extra baggage fee I had to pay for that, but it was worth it, and I got them with me here today. So we have it mounted. It wasn't the ideal rod for this type of curtain, and that curtain is super heavy. It's a sound curtain. I think it's gonna hold. It looks okay. And then there she can shut our other curtains for style in front of that, and then when she doesn't need the sound curtain, she should be able to move back and forth that curtain. So task completed, and I hope I was able to help out my friend Jenny.
Thank you, Greg.
Doing a favor, helping someone, is sometimes acknowledged with a simple gesture. It's not needed, but if it comes, if anything, it should only encourage us, me, to keep helping others.